Hey Boredom Crafters! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make candles using this Josephin Candle Maker. In the set, you get 3 glass cups for your candles, transparent gel, purple gel, plastic utensils, 6 wicks, blue glitter, and some sprangles, which are tiny gray rocks. So, let's get started. The first thing I wanted to use was this nice purple gel. I cut it into small pieces using my plastic utensils. You can use your hands instead if you want. After you have cut the gel into very small pieces, put it into the glass cup using your plastic spoon. Fill 1/3 of the glass cup with gel, and then add a thin layer of sprangles on top of it, which I think gives it a very nice texture. Now that we're done with the first layer, we can start making the second layer. For the second layer, I'll be using transparent gel. Cut the transparent gel the way you did with the purple gel. You can now spray some blue glitter on top of it. Now let's start making the third layer. For the third layer, I used purple gel and I sprayed some blue glitter on top of it, which I think made it look really magical. All you have to do now is put the third layer on top of the second layer. Your candle is now pretty much done. All you have to do is insert the wick. Now you can light up your candle and enjoy your DIY. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing.